Hello and welcome! In this tutorial, we are going to go into the second last function on our list. We are going to blob.translate. So we can write whatever text we want. We can translate the whole book. Although maybe, just maybe, we're going to take a section of the book. We'll take something from the middle. So we're going to select something like we did before, maybe text between characters 6,000 and 12,000. So we are going to now use blob.translate. So we can actually first print the blob, and then we can print blob.translate. Let's check this out. So we are actually, null data 0 terminated. Yeah, the last thing we used was the manual. So let's just go to book 2. Perhaps that would be nicer. So there we go. Talking about Alexander, pretty neat. So now we can blob.translate, and we can select inside here, we can select A2. 2 equals to, and then a 2-letter language code. So ES is going to translate this to Spanish. And I wonder if Alexander is going to be Alejandro. Let's see. Alexander. No, he's still Alexander. Europa e Asia. Ahora Europa y Irán en aquellos días como ahora. There's a lot of ahora. So you can actually have an infinite selection of these codes. They're all taken from Google Translate, I'm pretty sure. So I'll show you the link right here. So there it is, cloud.google translate. And if I bring you're gonna see, like, wow, a ton of languages. And oh, look, there's Bosnian, so we can translate it to Bosnian, and I can read some. To BS. F5. Sada je Aleksandar rođen nasljednikom na prelju jednog od Grka kraljevstva. On je u izuzetnoj mjeri posjedovao energiju i preduzeće i vojna vještina koja je karakteristična za Grke i Rimljane. Rimljani. Okay, there's some grammatical mistakes, but I can actually understand that stuff. So there you go. You can have a virtually infinite menu of languages on this link. I think whatever your language is available. I'm actually curious if we picked something with a weird script like Korean, if the fonts to even print that would be there. But let's find out. I doubt it. I think it's not going to print Korean. No, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Korean. So blob.translate is really powerful, really, really simple. And I don't think that we are going to be needing it because we're going to be analyzing books in English, but it's definitely a feature I wanted to show you that you could potentially use for whatever projects you want. It takes what's good about Google Translate and makes it much more usable in your own applications. Okay, that's it for this one. I will see you in the next tutorial where we look at blob engrams. See you then.